a little bit of a recap as to what your proposals should do. So use a proposal cover, or at the very least, something that is visually appealing as the first thing that they see. Use a video in your proposal if it's quality and adds value. If it doesn't and it's too much effort, then don't do it. A little thing here, you could record a video as your introduction. That would be super cool. So that might even be easier than writing it for some people. So if you find that you can talk to a camera quite quickly and quite easily, then instead of writing an introduction out, just record a video. That could be much, much easier. That would kill two birds with one stone. Sorry, animal lovers. Integrating live chat, or at the very least, making sure that it's incredibly obvious that you are available and to ask questions. Live chat is obviously the easiest way to do that, but however you feel makes sense. Send a web version and do not send PDFs. That does mean potentially looking into using something like Better Proposals or one of our competitors, or some way of presenting this thing as an online document as such, rather than as a PDF, purely just because they look boring. If Apple created, I'm using Apple as an example because everybody knows that their design is amazing, but if Apple created a PDF, it's still just a PDF. We've all seen them. They all look the same. So that different effect is what you're really shooting for here. Split your proposal up into 6 pages. Name your pricing page investment. It implies some sort of return rather than cost or fees or rates, which don't imply any kind of return. Increase your prices. 2 to 3 grand is way below industry averages for those particular industries. You should absolutely increase your pricing. And I think I've pretty much hammered this point home by now, but send your proposal within 24 hours. So that is the 2017 proposal report.